If you're wondering how you can find the sound settings on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can find the sound settings. First of all, just go to settings. Under settings, just scroll down and over here you will find the option sound. Just tap on it, and once you do that, you will open the sound settings on your tablet. And from here, you can control all the sound settings of your tablet, like you can enable mute or you can disable mute from here. Also, you can change the ringtone of your tablet. You can customize the system sounds. And also, you can customize the notification sound. And if you scroll down, you will find the option of sound quality and effects, where you can enable or disable Dolby Atmos. And you will find all the other sound settings in this section. Just like that. And this is how you can find the sound settings on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.